Large clumps of paper in the septic tank system. That is a huge septic killer. You need something that is gonna get in there, go to the bottom, and be able to break up that paper where it starts. BioTab works great, but a lot of people wonder, how does it work? We are gonna show you how 6 different of the most popular paper products breaks down with BioTab over the course of 21 days. For this test, we used half a tab of BioTab per each jar. We also have glass containers with only water to show what happens in an untreated septic tank. Through these tests, we hope that you can see with your own eyes exactly what BioTab is doing for your septic system. In our units with the BioTab, you can see the paper has started to float to the top. That is great. In a septic tank, solids need to be able to float to the top so that it can digest all the fluid at the bottom and pump out to the drain field. This is exactly what you want to see in your septic tank. Hey guys, Jimmy here. We are on day 7 of the BioTab paper breakdown. On the control side of things, we are not seeing any breakdown at all. So this kind of shows in your septic tank, water alone is not enough to break down this paper. When you compare the control units to the BioTab units, the difference is clear. BioTab is helping break down that paper faster, quicker, and making sure that your septic tank does not have any paper balls in it. Some of the thicker towels, like the paper towels and the wet wipes, we're not seeing as much breakdown. That's fine, it's just gonna take more time. You need to have BioTab in your tank month after month to really break down these thicker papers, and that's why people say it's really not good to flush these. Hey guys, Jimmy here. We are on day 21 of the BioTab breakdown video. So we have tested all the way from Kirkland, Brawny, wet wipes. We have everything here on the table breaking down through BioTab. The first one that we'll highlight is Kirkland's. So this toilet paper is thick and tough, and you can see it has broke down really well with the BioTab. Next one is Charmin. So Charmin has some really great breakdown, and that's because it wasn't quite as thick as the Kirkland brand. So we can see a lot more breakdown in that paper. The third toilet paper brand that we have is Scott's, and this is Scott's 1-ply, so it broke down quite a bit. For our paper towels right here, we have Viva. Viva has not much breakdown at all, and that's to be expected with how thick and tough that paper is. I would recommend not putting this in your septic tank at all. Our next paper towel is Brawny. This has a little more breakdown than the Viva, but I would still recommend keeping this out of your septic tank. The last one in our test we will talk about are the flushable wipes. They break down not as well as the toilet paper. That being said, BioTab is still able to be breaking down the wet wipes. Paper towels as well, it's just gonna take a lot more time. So after 21 days, the verdict is pretty clear. Toilet paper is breaking down pretty well. Paper towels and wet wipes, not so much. So if you are flushing those down the toilet, BioTab is gonna be your best friend. And if you wanna see more tests like this, please hit subscribe. We have a lot more coming.